Yo, what's up, guys? Alright, so we just got the trailer.
Yeah. Oh, push down.
We got to tow this bad boy right here. Hey, what year is the Supra? What year is it?
1990?
1990 MK3?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna bring to the shop.
Where do you think, bro? You see the orange big ass U-Haul sticker?
Alright, so here's the bad boy.
Oh, that was actually in?
Targa top. Dude, how long do you have this car?
That's it. You know, time doesn't matter, man. You know? Oh, okay, then we'll just bolt it in.
And then, hey, let's see what we got.
It's right there in the door.
Let's see what the engine got. Damn, look at the swap.
The wheel shower.
Perfect. Mountain here.
Oh, I can see now.
Hey, don't forget to bolt down the top.
Perfect.
You guys ready?
Look at the way, Doc. Go. Oh shit! What the fuck?
It was rolling back.
We got it.
No, quítate. That was try number 1. This is...
He's gonna go really back.
Me too. Okay, this is try number 2.
I'm running.
Oh, okay.
Whoa,
They move. I think.
yeah, I think you can take it off, can't you? Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Damn! They thought of everything. Oh, fuck.
Woo.
That was interesting.
Shit.
No,
It is
quítate.
slippery. Damn,
Did it.
honestly, that made me even more excited to drive it.
Was it pretty scary in there when you're going up?
Yeah, I was like, fuck, I hope I don't miss. But I mean, I've done it hella times. So
Did it feel like you were gonna go into the truck?
nah.
You hit
I mean,
it pretty
I've
hard.
done hella times going onto the alignment rack and stuff. So.
Good stuff. Only took 2 tries. Just needs a little touch-up paint. No big deal. No big deal.
I forgot.
Who has Alan?
You got the.
I thought you said car washes are overrated.
They are, but
Okay.
I don't want the big screen, dude.
So here's the engine. This is the what, stock motor that came with it?
yeah.
The 1JZ single turbo.
No, it's not on
It's not one, JJ.
Is it in the 1JZ?
No, it's the 7F.
Wow.
It's even better than the 1J.
This little tiny turbo.
You know me, I'll be hitting Z-Tech and braking and like, it's a wrap right there, they get close to it.
Hey, so when are you gonna start taking it apart?
He's not.
Once we get the engine bay back to paint.
Yeah.
He's not. Why lie?
So never.
No way.
He's not gonna take it apart.
Alright, so about to take off. Make sure everything's not loose. Everything's in touch. Yeah.
I already
you guys
said
there.
stop still.
Oh, you fucking asshole. Look at it. Hey, why is this dude flipping us off? You guys know this guy?
Fucking asshole!
Fuck these guys right here. This truck is nice though. I like the red. Alright guys, just got here. Look at this man. Look at this man. Yeah, he want to strip it and take it paint since it's on the.
Since we have the U-Haul.
You dropped it off?
Already.
Oh.
Yeah, I just need to take everything out of
want
it.
to strip it?
Yeah.
Well, just strip it while it's on the trailer.
Wait.
No, it's a lot of shit still.
Or you mean you can't just grab like that?
I still got the harness and shit, huh?
The airspace. Like,
Damn, look at it. Huh. There it is.
Damn.
All right, Dan, let's see what I got. Oh shit,
Too jay-z.
it's a nice engine.
hood shocks don't work.
No, it won't. No, head shocks don't work, but they're overrated anyways.
Yeah, you're right.
Actually, it's missing one.
You
so I don't know
gotta
what's
find
going
how to
on
hold it.
there. Yeah.
All right, you guys ready to get this bad boy off?
Yeah. Kind of.
Who's the strongest guy in the game?
Well,
This guy right here.
That VTEC before
Are we
we put
actually
the
gonna
engine
strip
in.
it today, or you want to start taking
That's
it
a lot of
apart?
work.
Fenders off,
So you're gonna take the bumper off,
the headlight covers off, and then it's just a snitch for your car.
bro. So you don't need this.
No,
You don't need this.
So I already ordered the brake lines to delete the ABS.
I don't know what this is, but
Well,
you don't
actually,
need
hold on. Actually, I do need that because I gotta pass them on.
Oh yeah, you have two. You don't need it. You don't need that. You don't need
this.
that.
Wait, what is
You
that?
don't need that.
Want some food, bro?
Tupperware in here.
You're gonna paint it black?
Yeah.
Oh, black shouldn't be bad.
Should I get the trash can?
Oh yeah.
That'll
All right, pop it open and see what's in there.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh, actually, it's pretty clean.
No, this is
Yeah.
stuck.
What's breaking?
It's like it's the first time.
Doesn't matter
cool.
because I'm
Opened
gonna
up
get
like
the carbon
that.
fiber one anyways.
Like a virgin.
Isn't it too?
Oh shit. Open it up, Dan.
This is always, I think that's.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, got that little factory
yeah.
tire.
Wow.
The tool's not there, but yeah.
Dang.
What's your plan with the car?
I think you need
Everything.
Everything.
It needs it all.
Full, huh?
Damn, just thinking about it makes me lazy.
Well, you still have the transmission too, or you took it out?
The transmission I have at home, but it's not in the car anymore.
Oh, and then that was the same engine that we saw earlier. Huh?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Sucks. Yeah, for a little emblem like that. Yeah.
Bro, you don't.
$150?
Yeah.
Dude,
If you
just
can
go-
find them on
Just
eBay.
go on eBay for cheap.
No, bro, that is on eBay.
Not OEM.
That's
Hey,
if
Dan,
you could
what's
even
this?
find them.
Look at this water pump.
Dude, like,
Hey, look at this
these
turbine.
cars are turning to be like more and more expensive. Like,
Yeah, for real.
rare.
And they're all pieces of shit.
And they
Yeah.
are all pieces of shit.
Yeah, for real.
So when are we putting the headers? We gotta put the headers on Leo's car
That's
too.
Oh shit, so yeah, let's
Wait,
get
what?
cracking.
Yeah.
In your truck? What is going on over here? Oh, you guys got power tools.
Oh yeah, bro. I used to be a professional. Used to be.
Dang, bro, how do you like your new truck?
Yeah, I love it.
Dude, it's really clean. Where you don't have a white pipe? Is that what it is?
You don't have a. There's a Wi-Fi beam. You cut out. So you switch it. You silent. It's gonna be loud.
Oh! Oh, you got a MagnaFlow. Dude, how much you get this thing for?
9.7.
Dude, that's a lot.
Ah, you should look up how much trucks are.
How many miles?
165.
That's not too bad.
How was it, Alonzo? Was it hard?
That's easy.
You guys torquing it down? Okay.
Ugga dugga?
Suspect.
What the hell is that mean?
Ugga chugga.
Ugga dugga?
Yeah.
That's a gun, bro.
Ugga. Nice. I like it. Should get a V8. Yeah, there you go. So that's it, guys. What we do today? Well, actually, what did you do today? Because I didn't do anything.
Yeah, we just brought the Supra over here, then we did the cam, or not the cams. We did exhaust, the headers on the Sierra.
So we.
It was fucking cold.
So we got the Emans Supra. So the plan for that is what, full ground up build.
Yeah, I think he's here we got all the pistons, all the internals. He's about to send it out.
Hey, when trip away, I'm gonna take Alonzo home.
All right.
Sure?
Yeah, we made room.
How do you like your truck?
Dude, I love it, bro. Put a muffler on it tomorrow, though.
I don't know why. I wouldn't. Dude, that thing sounds awesome.
That's already fucking loud, dude.
It sounds amazing. I love it.
I wanna hear him
5K. Alright, guys. So I guess this is it then.
See you guys next time.
That's it.